Hey guys, you are watching Customized Close-Up for the FabFitFun Winter Box. We are going to be showing you customization 3 today, and stick around to the end of the video because I'm gonna have a special coupon code just for you. All right, you guys, it is time to shake things up this season with the MasonTops Mason Jar Cocktail Bundle. So on the top here, we have a strainer. This little cap serves as your little shot glass, and it says right in there the ounces so that you can measure it out to perfection. And the most important part is the grip right here, so that when you're shaking it up, it doesn't shake right out of your hand.
Put it in between your palms and stir.
Oh, not like that? You like do this? And what I just learned from very spur of the moment bartending school, AKA my producer, is that you put this in here and you just make a little fire between your hands in order to stir up your cocktail. So I absolutely will be using that technique this season. Turns out my producer was wrong. You do not actually need to stir your cocktail like you're a caveman trying to start a fire. You can just stir it like you always have. Comment down below, let me know what cocktails you are going to be making this season. I'm gonna have a little apple cider cocktail moment. Let's go shake that up. If I say shake that up one more time, Taylor Swift is going to come after me. Okay, all right, we're gonna try it. This is my first time ever trying to make a cocktail. We're just gonna take a packet of apple cider. We're gonna pour it in here, use the technique that I learned. Next, we're gonna take a shot of cinnamon whiskey. Okay, so I'm gonna take this top right here and just pour a little shot of cinnamon whiskey right in there. What am I doing? Next, I'm gonna take more whiskey and also pour a little shot right in the top here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. Okay, best part is that we got this grip, right? So we can shake it. Oh. Whoa. And we're good. Nothing broke except for my pride. And serve it right up. Okay, let's try this. I'm a fan. Now I have to go film the rest of my entire customized close-up. It's really not bad. Does anyone want to try it? We've got another one coming right up. This one's on the house, yeah. Next up, we have a lipstick from Bite Beauty in the color Sugar Buns, which ironically was my college nickname. Bite Beauty is one of our absolute favorite beauty products. Absolutely obsessed. They make the best lipsticks, hands down. So this color is a really pretty kind of like soft mauve. I am wearing it right now. It has a matte finish, but it does have cocoa butter, so it'll keep your lips nice and hydrated. I am going to be making all of the power moves with this baby. I'm gonna be walking into the room, taking names, getting promotions. All of your best power moves are going to be made with this lipstick on. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Collagen Serum. Last season, we gave you the collagen powder to put into your smoothies, and now we are bringing you collagen serum to make sure that you're getting it from the outside in as well. If you were singing along to Wanna Be, you know, like, if you wanna be my lover, you gotta wear your serum. So this serum is going to keep your skin plump and firm. It's gonna maintain those collagen levels, and it's going to improve your skin's flexibility. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's why I go to hot yoga, just for these moments. Next up, we have a brand that you have been asking for, and we are always here to deliver. This is the Michael Kors Beanie with a Palm. This is the perfect winter fashion staple. You absolutely need to have a beanie. It should go with everything, casual, or if you wanna dress it up a little bit. She's fashionable, she's functional, she's ready to walk the streets of your city, and insert your city right here. Couldn't get Michael Kors if you Michael Kors?
I was trying to see if you were gonna say it.
I'll say it, because I know you won't put it in. But wait, there's more. These are 1 pound ankle weights. You guys have been asking for more fitness products, and we're bringing it to you this season with these 1 pound ankle weights. Adding just 1 pound on each ankle is gonna amplify your workouts and give you that extra burn. You can wear these when you're going on your walks, you can wear them around the house, you can wear them out to the club. The colors on these are so adorable. They will go with any workout outfit. even if you're into jazzercise like I am. First up, let's start off with the True and Luscious Lucky Glow palette. If you have a refined palette when it comes to makeup, you are going to love this. So we've got 6 different pigments here. All of them are equally gorgeous and can be used for anything. I'm literally wearing my entire face today is this palette. I actually used some of these as eyeshadow. I love doing that, get a little bit of shimmer. And then I am wearing Aces for my bronzer, Wild Cherry for my blush, and I used a little bit of Heaven Scent as highlighter and then also on my brow bone. What I really love about a palette like this is that it's very easy to travel with. So if you are going anywhere this season, you can just take this. Everything that you need is right in this palette. And last but not least, we have the Kate Spade Rise and Shine stud earrings. You guys know last time I was looking for a stud. I've been looking for a stud, cannot find a stud. Where is he? May or may not have found my stud. This comes in a set of 2. You've got the cubic zirconia and the pearl earrings, and they also have these tiny little prongs that also have gems in them for that extra sparkle and shine. I really love that you can wear them day or night, take it out on the town, or just, you know, walking around, walking your dog, on the hunt for studs. All right, you guys, so that is customization 3. Make sure that you guys are telling me in the comments what you're picking. I really wanna know. I'm really torn and I need some help deciding. If you're not a member yet, be sure that you're signing up at FabFitFun.com, and that promo code that I mentioned in the beginning is CLOSEUP. All right, so that's it, and we will see you next season. Bye.